बच्ची, ऐसे ऐसे मैंने उसको लिया। जब आपके बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं और इतना बड़ा कारोबार संभालते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसे एक बकेट में लेकर जाते थे तो बड़ा सुकून मिलता था। बच्ची बड़ी हो गई है, काम कर रही है।
I love you, Disha. So Disha was the coordinator for everything, dates or any kind of changes, with the dubbing. Yeah, so it was wonderful. She's very hardworking, very focused, and always smiling with so much of love and affection and a big smile on her face. I just couldn't say no to her.
स्टूडियो में डबिंग के लिए जाता हूँ एंड शी गेट्स टू नो अबाउट दैट। तो हम लोग मिल लेते हैं, बैठते हैं, थोड़ी देर बातचीत हो जाती है, ऐसी मजाक हो जाता है। कई बार बहुत भाग दौड़ में भी शूट हो रहा था। इट वॉज वेरी कंफर्टेबल, द लोकेशन, द ट्रैवल, एवरीथिंग। कभी मैं अगर डिस्टर्ब हो भी जाता था, चीज़ों से परेशान हो भी जाता था, दिशा वॉज ऑलवेज देयर। शी टुक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग वेरी वेल। यार दिशा इज लव। बहुत ही प्यारी बच्ची है, बहुत ही अच्छी दोस्त बनी मेरी।
And what was required to be there on set for it to happen, she's been able to do that because everything that one requires as a performer to be shooting for a film as an actor was available all the time. I wish her all the best.
Not easy to pull off a show of this magnitude, but she's done it, and she's done it time and again. And she's so amazing, and she's so capable, and she's so serious, and she's got her ears to the ground, and she knows what she's doing. That's why I think Disha is definitely the future.
Disha worked very hard for this. She put everything together. The writers, the platform, the actors, the locations. Coordination was not an easy thing. With all the challenges that were around her, I'm very proud of her that she did very well.
Disha, whenever I have spoken to her, she has an amazing sense of calm, and it is very surprising for me. I mean, especially when you meet the producers. एक तो वो producers की तरह behave नहीं करती हैं. She will always connect with you like a family member. She is so humble. She's a beautiful person, I would say, and I just wish her all the best with the future projects.
Disha, because I've hardly seen producers who are so involved in everything. And she's so approachable. You need anything, she's up there. And to helm such a project with such production, such big cast, I mean, she's done a great job.
About Disha, I would say if you go on the set, you will not know who she is because that's how grounded she is. She being the backbone of Sankalp, daughter of Prakash sir, you will not know. So grounded.
Disha is, I would say, she's the spine of the show. If you are part of this show, you would see Disha at this venue in the location every day. And she has this amazing vibe to be friends with everyone. So people want to work for her. That is one of the best qualities of a producer, to make everyone feel one. And Disha does it excellently.
दिशा जी के बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं यार। दिशा जी की वजह से ही मैं कह सकता हूं कि कस्तूरी मुझे मिला है। दिशा जी, थैंक यू सो मच। और आप ही ने, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे करियर को एक नई दिशा दी है। और दिशा जी बहुत कमाल के प्रोड्यूसर हैं, सबका बहुत अच्छा ध्यान रखती हैं, और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि वो हमेशा हंसती रहती है।